So I want to talk about this thing. I did a video on it a little while ago. This is one of several of hydroponics, indoor hydroponics I have. And I know some people use them for substances that are not good. I am using them for things like basil and spinach. And this is called Cucamelon. Right, so it sounded fun, and I'm gonna see if I can get some cucamelon. And I've got something else in here. Oh, asparagus. So these are my my seeds. I do have a couple of more ones, but I just wanted to show you this one today. I like it. It's quite good. The little thing here that's supposed to tell you how much water you have in and when you need to add more, it broke. I did try I tried zucchini in it, which is also known as courgette, and the courgette, it flowered, it did everything, but I got no vegetables from it. So I wasn't happy, got rid of those, and now I'm trying. And you can see the basil is really good, okay? Or as some people call it, basil. And it's really good. The cucamelon is going nuts. I mean, it's going right down. It's climbing up some of my my running and walking medals. And then oh, it smells so much. Because I've just touched it, I can just smell the basil or basil. Then we have the spinach, okay? And I was putting, if anybody's seen my label maker, I was putting labels, but the weekend I did this, I don't know, I think I did this really late at night, and I thought, oh, I'll do the labels later. And then I couldn't remember what I planted where, so I just kept the packets by it so I can go, oh yeah. And obviously you can see that's basil, that's spinach, and this cucamelon. So once I actually get something from this, I will do another video on it. I do have 3 other hydroponics, 2 this size and 1 that's smaller. The smaller one, I actually just use cat grass in it for the cats. But the other 2, I do basil, I do tomato mostly. I am going to, actually I'm going to clear them out and start again because I haven't quite got the knack of, and actually I'm going to show you that. Let me see if I can go across. You can see I'm not very good at tomatoes. So one machine here, it's gone out of control, and sorry, we've got a cat making a little entrance here. Yes, Mittens, sweetie. So this one you can see not so good. So what happened with that one is it kind of overran again. That's my second attempt. But it's more that the roots have taken over the bottom. So every time I try and add water, it overflows. So I've just stopped it. I'm going to kill everything in it and start again. This one, and you can see it's mostly dead anyway because it can never get enough water. Now this one, I have I have cherry tomatoes, which look like they're dying as well. I did have some strawberries, and I have tons of spinach. And this spinach I eat lots, and I think I grew too much for me. But this one I think I am going to clear out again, and I'm going to find out how I can make it so that they stay small and that I still get some tomatoes. Because so far I think I've had 2 cherry tomatoes and no big tomatoes. Then I also did the strawberries. Unfortunately, sitting beside it is a lovely cat. It looks like a little cat TV, and it's a scratching thing, and they sit on there, and they chew the plants. So they chewed all the strawberries, and they will eat they will chew on the tomato leaves, and they also chew on the spinach. Going up to the top, I did take out one of the strawberries, and I'm trying to do a jam jar hydroponic for it. So this is my strawberry here, not to be confused with the tomato that's trying to overrun it. There we go. So we have the little strawberry. It's been in there a while, so if I ever get strawberries, I might do a video on how this actually looks. But I've also tried doing this hydroponics. You can see I've got some basil here, and I think I did some mint and some artichoke. This is cherry tomato. So far, no tomatoes on them. One day I'll get a vegetable garden in my kitchen. Anyway, a little bit different video. That's more of a catch up on a previous video. But if you've ever tried growing vegetables and fruits in hydroponics in your kitchen, then please do let me know how it went down in the comments. I just keep trying, and we'll see, because with the price of groceries, we kind of have to do what we can. And yeah, but if you've had success, I'd love to know how. Anyway, especially if you could grow tomatoes but not have them overrun the whole shelf. Yeah. Anyway, if you found this video useful, helpful, or interesting, then please do click on that thumbs up. And if you would like to subscribe to see more of my videos, then do subscribe to the channel. That would be great. And I hope you have a great day. Thank you so much. Bye.